Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover about the mirror tool in Solidworks. So there are multiple options, like you can mirror entities, you can mirror bodies, you can mirror sketches, and you can mirror features. So there are different approaches, so it's up to the personal choices. So what I can do is, like in this video we are just gonna cover about the mirror sketches. So for example, I want to sketch this triangle to another side. So what I can do is, the first thing is I can just mirror this sketch to another side and then convert all of those mirrors into solid body together. Or another option is, like what I can do is I can just convert this into solid body by using extrude boss, and then again I can mirror this body to another side. So there are multiple ways. Okay, so we can go into the mirror entities. As you can see in the sketch tab in the ribbon section, there is a mirror entity. So you can go into the mirror entity and then you can see entities to mirror. So we need to choose what entity we want to mirror. So what I can do is I can just select the whole entity, and then there is an option, you can see the copy. Like if I want to make a copy of this body, then you need to check this. Otherwise, if I'm gonna uncheck this, then the main or primary body is gonna vanish. You can't see this, but I want to have a copy. So what I can do is, now the next thing is mirror about. So at which point I want to mirror about. So I want to select this construction line. So in this way, as you can see, it's gonna draw here. So I'm just gonna check the green check mark. So look, this is the mirror. But just keep in mind, these are the dynamic mirrors. Look, if I'm just gonna move one of them, so the another one is relatively moving, because these are not static, these are the dynamic to each other.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.
Okay, so if I want to mirror multiple entities once, so what I can do is, again I can go into the mirror entities, and then again I need to check entities to mirror. So what I can do is I can just select these entities, and then I need to check mirror about, and then I can choose this line to mirror about. So you can see all those entities are gonna mirror here. So I'm just gonna say okay. Look, all these entities are mirrored on the downside, but again they are dynamic. You can hold any of them and move all of them. It's really powerful. Okay, so one more thing, like if I want to mirror these entities here, I can just go back again into the mirror entities, and then entities to mirror, I can just select all of them all together. And then this time I don't want to make a copy, I just want to uncheck this and then mirror about, and I want to mirror about this line. So as you can see, it's gonna be mirror around this side, and if I'm gonna check the green check mark, so the first one is gonna vanish. Look, the first one is gone because I didn't create a copy, I just create a mirror and the first one is gone. So in this way we can move original body to any certain point, or we can create a multiple copies of any sketches. So this is a really powerful tool.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.